In this video, I'll discuss with you some very important points about a Betatron. What is a Betatron? What is the principle of working of a Betatron? And what is the basic theory behind the working of Betatron? First of all, let us see what is a Betatron. As we know, electrons cannot be accelerated with the help of a cyclotron because of relativistic change in mass of electrons when their velocity approaches velocity of light. In order to compensate for that, it is a device that is specially made for accelerating electrons. So we can define Betatron just an accelerator for electrons specially. Now let us come to construction and working of a Betatron. It consists of a donut shaped vacuum chamber surrounded by coils which are connected to a source of alternating voltage. These coils produce an alternating magnetic field in a direction perpendicular to the plane of donut shaped chamber. The working of Betatron is based on two phenomena. First one is Lorentz magnetic force acting on a charged particle when it is moving in some external magnetic field. Second phenomenon on which it works is electromagnetic induction. That is, an induced EMF is developed in a circuit when there is variation in magnetic flux linked with that circuit. These 2 points make the principle of working of a Betatron. Now let us see how to use a Betatron for accelerating electrons. During the first quarter of magnetic field cycle, the electrons are injected from the filament into the chamber at the instant when magnetic field just starts rising from its zero value. The velocity of injection of electrons is kept in a direction perpendicular to external magnetic field so that electrons follow a circular orbit. Also, due to continuous variation in magnetic field, an EMF is induced in the chamber due to electromagnetic induction. The so induced EMF accelerates the electrons. The arrangements are made in such a way that the electrons do not follow a spiral-like path as it happens in case of a cyclotron, but the electron follow a circular path of a fixed radius. All this process takes place during the first quarter of magnetic field cycle. During the second quarter of magnetic field cycle, there is decrease in magnetic field from peak value to 0, and so the induced EMF deaccelerates the electrons. To avoid the loss of energy during the second quarter of magnetic field cycle, what we do, the accelerated electrons are made to strike the target just at the completion of first quarter of cycle. Now let us come to theory of Betatron. The working of Betatron is mainly controlled by a formula which is known as Betatron condition or 2:1 rule. These are names given to the same relation. The relation is d phi over dt should be equal to 2 times pi r square dB by dt, where d phi over dt represents rate of change of magnetic flux and B represents magnetic field, which is alternating magnetic field, we continuously changing with time. Energy of electron at the end of first quarter cycle of alternating magnetic field is given by E into C into phi naught divided by 2 pi capital R. In this relation, C stands for maximum velocity gained by electron, E stands for charge on the electron, capital R stands for radius of orbit of the electron, that is fixed in case of Betatron. Capital B is magnetic field at any time t, and phi naught is peak value of instantaneous magnetic field, that is any time t. Thanks a lot. I expect comments from the viewers, and I will try to respond to those comments also.